log in Gamut and Young account. Click this. Then this. Choose Redeem My Cash in Stock. Click Redeem My Quick Cash. Read the instructions on how to redeem your Quick Cash. Type the amount you wish to withdraw. Then, click to redeem rewards. Fill out the required information. As you can see, your withdrawal has been made successfully. After filling out, you will see this as confirmation of your withdrawal. You will also receive an email regarding the payout. Once you receive the money, they will also email you that they already sent the money and the purpose where to spend the money. Thank you for watching, and sana makatulong to sa inyong extra income journey.